What's up guys, it's me from my tech channel. And today Apple announced the new iPhone 17 lineup and we got the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So in this video, let us talk about the top features for this phone and of course unbox it. Let's get started. So right off the bat, the first thing that you lines notice is the box is pretty similar to last year's iPhone 16 Pro Max. We have the Apple logo at the front. On the back, we have the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the color which is the natural titanium. Of course, there are other colors like the blue, black, white, and a pink. But what's different this year is that they're not including a charging brick. So just like last year's iPhone 16 Pro Max, it doesn't come with the charging brick, but it does come with a USB-C cable. So if you do want to charge this phone up, you will need a charger. You can use your old 20-watt charger that you used for your previous iPhones, or you could pick up a new one. Now taking a look at the phone itself, the first thing that really stands out is the new design. It looks very similar to last year's iPhone 16 Pro Max, but there are some subtle changes. For example, the volume buttons are now always visible, whereas before they were only visible when you press them. Also, the action button is still there. It's located on the side of the phone. It's customizable. You can map it to things like the flashlight, the camera, and more. And also on the side we have our power button. The buttons are made out of titanium just like the frame of the phone, and they feel great. They feel very premium. The back of the phone is still made out of glass. It's very slippery, so be careful with this. You might want to put a case on it. And speaking of cases, unfortunately, I didn't get any cases with this phone, but I did pick up some cases from a case company. These cases are great because they offer military-grade protection. There are different types of cases for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. There's the rugged case, there's the slim case, and there's also the clear case. Now I have the clear case on this iPhone 17 Pro Max, and it looks great. It shows off the natural titanium color. There's also another color, which is called blue fog. It's a very nice dark blue color. I think it looks great. You can see it has the raised bezels all around the front to protect the display. Of course, there's also that raised lip for the camera module. I think it looks really good. It's a nice case. So now let's take a closer look at the phone. What's new with this year's iPhone 17 Pro Max compared to last year's model? Well, we have a larger display, so we went from a 6.7-inch display to a 6.9-inch display. So this is the largest display ever on an iPhone. Also, it's the brightest display ever on an iPhone. So outdoors you'll be able to see this display, even when it's super bright outside. Another new thing is the new action button. So now instead of having two volume buttons, we have one volume button, and then next to it we have the action button. Like I mentioned, you can customize this button and map it to a lot of different functions. So that's something cool that's new with this iPhone 17 Pro Max. Also, we have the updated camera system. It's a 48-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. So those are some of the top new features for this iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's a great phone. If you were on the fence about upgrading, I would say go for it. It's a great upgrade over last year's model. Now in terms of pricing, this starts at $1,200 just like last year's model. If you want to pick this up, I'll leave a link down below in the description. Also, if you want to check out the other iPhone 17 models, I'll leave a link to those videos as well. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.